Okay, Unit 12, Lesson 3 is similar to segments, but now we talk about angles. So just to review, because this is the most missed idea, when we want to name angles, I've got 3 examples and 2 drawings. So I'm going to let this be read. So if I want to talk about WVB, you're going to go over here. Here's WV to B. So I'm talking about this angle right there. Okay, let's do the second one. Blue. So TKL, so you'll find T to K to L. So whatever it outlines, this is the angle that we're referring to. And the last one I'll let be orange, BVU. So here's B to V to U. So I'm talking about that angle. Okay? So the angle addition postulate is just like the segment. It says the sum of 2 adjacent angles equals the sum of the total angle. And I let that be the word exterior. So that means on my drawing, if I take angle DEB plus angle BEF, that's going to add up to the total exterior angle DEF. And notice the only thing that's the same is the middle letter. All right, so if I said angle E, I wouldn't know what I'm talking about. This is when you have to use 3 letters for each of your angles to name them. So let's do some examples. So this says find JKL, so here's JKL, so that's the whole thing. If I know that JKA, so here's JK to A, that measure is 22. And AKL, here's AK to L, that angle is 100. So if I want to find the total, I can just add those together. And it's degrees. All right, example 2. Find X. If LKT, so here's LK to T, that's 5X plus 8. TKJ, so here's TK to J, that is 11x minus 6, and LKJ, so here's LKJ, the whole thing is equal to 178. So I'm going to take 11x minus 6 plus 5x plus 8, and that equals my total. And then we'll combine like terms. 16x plus 2, we'll subtract 2. So 16x equals 176. Divide both sides by 16. And just to double check, 11. Now, they want x, so I'm done. I don't have to find the measure of each angle. My last example, BVU, so BV to U, is 32x plus 2. WVU is the whole thing, is 39x minus 4, and WVB is 22. Find x. So I get 32x plus 2 is equal to 39x minus 4. Combine like terms. And I'm going to subtract 32x. So 24 equals 7x minus 4. We'll add 4 to the other side and divide by 7. Now, they asked for x. Let's say they wanted to find UVB. Well, we would take that x and substitute. All right, so just answer what the question wants.